Hi, everybody. This is Isaac with a TechHub.training video solution for the Power BI Forbes Billionaire Challenge. So we'll pull that up here. We can see the solution and how I've created it. Forgot to add the data labels there. Here's a little sneak peek for it. But I'll go ahead and walk through those visualizations and how you would create them on your own. So you can see all of the visualizations listed here. You can even add some more through some other settings. But we're going to go ahead and do that clustered column chart listed first. Make that a little bit bigger so everybody can see it. Easy. So you go ahead and you can populate that with the data fields here on the right. So we're going to go with net worth and name. Automatically populates. If you need to change any of the names here, you can actually rename for just this visual. So instead of sum of net worth, it's just going to be net worth for this visualization. So it's net worth by name. I'm going to create a couple different cards here. I'm going to size that one. So it's just a little bit more out of the way. Just like that. Perfect. And we need to do the average net worth. So we're going to go ahead and click into that visualization, check net worth here. But instead of sum, we're going to change that to average. We're going to go ahead and copy that because the next visualization is also a card. So you can do Control-C, Control-V, or you can right-click and do copy and paste. And click out right there. And instead of net worth, we're going to add age. And just like on the other one, instead of sum, we're going to go ahead and click average. It's a little bit too big still, so we're going to resize that just slightly so it's a little bit out of the way. So we can make room for our final visualization, which is the tree map. So you can see over here, this one right there with the highlighted blue squares and the white ones over there, highlight it, click tree map. So we need to do a count of each of the industries by billionaire. So an easy way to do this is industry. And we could also do name, or what I found most easy is to actually just drag industry down there, down to values and do a count of industry by industry. Some of the formatting issues, you can find all of the formatting here for Power BI in the Format Your Visual, in that Visualizations tab right there. We needed to add the data labels to the column chart there. We needed to add borders to all of them as well, which are found in the General tab. Under Effects, Visual Border. Go ahead and just add that real fast. And if you ever have any trouble finding any of the formatting options there, you can actually search it right there and it'll come up under the effects. And finally, we need to add a gray background. Same area, General, Effects, Background, Gray. All right, and you can see that the data also connects automatically. You can see how it dynamically changes based on what you're clicking. And for some of the questions, it may be helpful to add some filters here on that right side for saying name. For some of the trickier questions. So go ahead and see if you can answer the questions, see how the data interacts with each other dynamically, and make some really cool visualizations. Sound off in the comments if you found anything a little bit differently, or you notice any ways that processes can be improved. Thanks so much.